In every pregnancy, there is a danger of many disorders that can affect both the mother and the fetus. With many of these, we have well-validated methods of diagnosing and monitoring the disease. But one of the biggest cause of infant mortality and disability is IUGR. The majority of IUGR is caused by placental insufficiency. Currently, we diagnose it in the second and the third term of pregnancy, and often, by this point, it is too late to treat. We need a better method. In science today, there is a biomarker revolution going on. We are discovering new microRNA markers of hundreds of diseases, and researchers such as Oliver are unearthing these markers for placental insufficiency. This could potentially create a blood test which could be done in the first term of pregnancy, improving care significantly from then on. Researchers across the world are working on this in isolation. Biomarker consortiums have been set up and they are in the fields of cancer, metabolic disease, etc. This means research takes longer and the scientists' work goes unnoticed by the public. Lack of awareness means lack of funding. We want to change that. We are creating HAPU. HAPU means pregnancy and community. We want to raise awareness, increasing fund, foster new ways of discovering maternal and fetal biomarkers of disease and push the research forward. And it will be a global community for researchers specific to discovering biomarkers in maternal and fetal health. Community of researchers allowing sharing of knowledge, skills and technique. Open sourcing the field, drawing on the power of the collective to the further of science, and bring the field of research to the point at which it is ready for clinical application. And we will create the first maternal and fetal health biomarker database. Then, from this database we would launch challenges. Teams from around the world would compete to solve problems. We would generate publicity, and then, once the field has developed to a point at which it is ready for clinical application, we would launch the outreach program. Through the platform, we would engage the public and healthcare professionals with new discoveries and increase awareness, paving the way for improved funding and uptake by healthcare services. We are HAPU. Mark, author, Oliver, Bhakti, Qasim.